Hey dear beautiful friends, welcome back my channel again. In this video, I will show you how to remove home screen page on Android phone. You can follow this updated guide to delete home screen your Android phone. Now, let's dive right into the steps. First, go to the home page. Once you are in the home page, long press the screen. After that, you can swipe them the left side. If you find any blank pages, there are no important, so you can delete it. Locate the trash bin icon, tap on it and automatically delete the pages. If you are also decide to delete any app pages, like already app added this page, don't worry, tap on the delete icon, then choose delete and automatically delete the page. Also deleted the app icon there, but don't worry, there are app not be permanently deleted. This app were removed from your home page. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.